grandma. Good evening, Uncle Barry.
Good evening. How are you?
Yeah, no, so mom did call and tell us that she got a town from Ethiopia.
Yes.
Oh. Yeah, I do.
Yes.
Tired, man.
Anyway, you can stay, but one thing me have to ask, me have to tell you, I hope you know, but I mix up in a bad company because
No, man,
some
me not
bad
mix up
boy
in
they
a
bought the
no.
place there.
No, me not mix up in a no. Me not even know nobody up there. You alone.
And also, you have to come to church every Sunday.
Me not care no church clothes.
Them people left clothes here, they must can't fit.
So me have to go to church.
Of course, me no left children at home when me going to church.
Me don't normally go to church, auntie. Alright.
You have to come to church with me,
Me I come.
right?
Yeah. You don't cook nothing yet. Because me don't cook get nothing for eat.
You didn't sound done.
Alright. So which spot me can pull on my bag?
One room there on my back there, so, and the bathroom just next door to it. You can occupy it.
So me go in this one.
May I beg you to check up that sheet there for me, please? And thank you.
Mother normally make me take up anything there.
Oh, you mean?
Me don't normally do it. Me and my mother do everything auntie. I don't know you tell me take up.
Sorry, wait. Why you take care for furniture?
No. She not do that. She do everything for me.
Well, I'm very sorry. Once you are here, you have to help do something.
I don't know that auntie. Go out and take up the two sheet them.
Alright, go ahead. But you can stay here and I help do something.
Go and take them up then.
One thing me have to tell you, you know, you have to have manners and respect. And anything me tell you to do, you have to do it. Else, you know how you go.
No, you have to do it. You have to do it.
What you mean?
I tell you, say I can't take them up. I never do it in my yard. I don't come back on it.
So what? I two left on your house.
Yeah, two left on.
But wait, why you not have no manners?
Auntie, go take up a sheet.
You can't stay here if you can't help do
You
something.
don't cook, auntie. You don't cook.
You know matter about me cooking. Go and go take up the sheet then. And if you can't help do something, you can't stay here. And me no want no furniture
No,
here.
mother set me up right now.
No furniture in the house, me no want no more.
No, mother set me up. Yeah, man. Telephone. Like, sit down, Bambi,
Yeah, people. So, any update on your business? No, we can't do that road.
You know, say kind of moves on, look slow. So, You soon pick up still, but you just go on neutral.
Oh, still there, I still go and pull up some clothes. So,
Oh.
what me that say? Me don't work with some people, you know. Me don't know, something have to come down about 2 or 3 days after this. Me don't even have to tell you that. Me talk to you about it kind of further notice. Me don't want to tell nothing, talk nothing yet until me know, see? So me just make you know, because me know say, you see that thing there?
Yeah, man.
Heavy,
Heavy.
enough weight,
Enough for you.
enough cash.
Come to your man the school now.
So why? Oh. Alright, so that's all I come over.
You call me that, you tell me that you ask me.
Yeah man, that's all
You
me
still
want.
not do everything, man.
Yeah man, I
You
see
have a whole
it
panic
through your
link
cup like.
by street.
Even though you're so young, 19.
You just make me know you have a thing gone out. By the day if you don't get back your food.
Alright, so me I go and follow up the enclosure, so you can go on.
Ah, see alright. After the link up.
Alright. Sergeant Phil. Babe, where Captain there? Because I call mom not get him. Captain, me just send all the recording, you just come over and confess and tell everything. So I'm going to proceed with the plan. Yes, Captain. Yes, sir. Well, Lieutenant, make him know send me send that email there. Yes, Captain. Alright, so I'm going to proceed. So tomorrow I'm telling what you plan then. Alright. Thank you, sir.
I feel like OJ. Bobby Johnson.
Oh, to which party I go again?
Eh?
Which party I go again?
Now it's my go.
So you man no teacher when time you come, when time you go know you fi say good evening or good morning. And furthermore, me and my place and you just walk in.
When me walk 3 places of my yard, my mother does not say that she just wipe out. She wipe out the walk.
Your mama poor, you soon get 2 butterfly.
So we can put it on them. See, I didn't see I'm not like, you know, my mother not put me on them face, you know. Can't wait to walk on my yard.
You go on. You're rotten like. You better move from this one. Rashan? Rashan! Wait, I went there. Rashan! 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 Where are you?
Jenny!
Rashan!
Hey! Jenny, the cookie?
But wait, Roshan, how will you do up here so?
You know, say somebody may
Up here, idle people hang out at them place.
no, I'm not stay long now. Somebody may pan, then soon come.
You know, I know. Come go down there, here.
But somebody may wait pan.
Okay, not somebody.
He soon come, just call her, say she soon come on, girl.
Roshan, mine, you know.
No one thing man I do say so.
Roshan, at the last time I asked you why you are doing so.
And my girl best friend me a wait for auntie. She says she soon come. Me call her already.
Which girl best friend that?
She name Kira, she soon come really bright down island there so.
Alright, hurry up and do what you do and come go in the yard.
Alright, mom soon come.
Left my phone. I'm not able to go in the yard. Sean, don't like that. Let them say if we pay up inside.
No, me a wait all long and me a call them and I see you.
You have
So
to
me come back and me and
so you not call me?
yeah, me a call them the up the whole long till my auntie a pass.
Oh, sorry about that. So you want to tomorrow? I know see you forward in the country where they can stay with the auntie. How she live by the way?
See you there.
But I don't know if you want to get involved in anything. You want to say I did fear thing
kind
one
of
time,
thing?
but you know them thing, man. You want to say a fear thing one time, but they're probably doing something. But that one I one big one, and me alone can't go manage. So me ask if you just help me out with that one. Yeah. I promise you, I'm not make you get no trouble, not jail, nothing.
When you do it,
Tomorrow night.
me can pass through.
Alright then. So you what I said tomorrow, just come up on my place then. Or you can come up on my place tonight. Show your rope so you want to go and whatever. Zin?
You don't have to show me no ropes, man. I know the things set already.
Alright then, so I go, can't stay on the road too late because you know.
Me not watch out of my head back to you know, you have can't too careful nowadays. So, do I have to do still?
So me I go,
We link up.
reeling. So me I go, tell you until you laugh for me, I go, do so. Can't fit. Bless you, Kira. Oh, the cap. Come in now.
I don't even know who you have to come.
I don't see how you, man. You have the security footage for you come up and step below.
Oh, look. Yeah, I see me.
Oh, yeah, man. No.
They know you see me.
You got to turn food, brother. trees are yet. I'm just coming with some my tool them and put them up, you know.
Oh.
We have one figure still the basket.
So you say for go on now, come and get me looking at them out when I eat, you know.
Yeah, we have.
You know, see?
Come come and say
I'm
that it's your
stay
one.
too, you know, I'm there.
Alright, so you're one, you know. Big shipment. See?
Yeah, I think I come in.
Thing are coming in, but me one can handle it. The thing is, we have two problems. One, the guards. Two, we competition them. So,
Oh.
the boss will ask me if you know nobody. So, the boss give me a tool, me tell him boy, you say, boss, you tell her where them thing that you can't see.
Dear man, you have to see right, then you, dear. Yeah.
Anyway, so the boss give me two items and me give you one. So, me know fear and thing that doing a violence thing. So, we have to go to, me know, we have an idea, have to go just make sure that she not find this and all that.
You handle up the match, man. Don't worry about that. We deal with that.
Yeah, but you grow big, although you're not so big, you're just a big and a go like you're a big man.
Easy yourself, man.
So when you come back in the countryside, can do I go on a town?
No, you know, say I want to look at things, mother. Mother gone somewhere. You come down and come stay.
You come a country. Alright, so I'm going to eat thing out here.
Go on.
Yeah.
So go on, do your thing now. And they have reached, you know.
Alright, so here, what I'm on this. Unless you put it.
Easy yourself, no man. A long time we not give me no money. Relax, man.
Alright, so.
You
Can't
link
turn
up.
that to.
Just let me know what I'm going.
I watch it back, bro.
It's a 40.
Afternoon, Sergeant Jenny Thompson. Can I speak with Captain, please? Yeah, man. Alright, Captain, yeah, so you get the thing and the mic in the plan. So I just activate the thing right now. I just have to go change up here now and then I go forward the night station. Yeah, man, me have that angle. Me and him are best friend from primary school days. So I know how to get to him. So I feel like, say, I want thing we will do it tomorrow. So just make sure say tomorrow I catch him and everything good, alright. Yeah man, alright. Yeah man, you trust man. Yeah, thanks. Alright, Captain. So I see you at the night station. I have to go take off things because I come leave it to you to wear then cut up something and look like gangster. Yeah man, you have a thing. No click no in the boss, you not if you check me, just take your gun. But you might in this, you're supposed to go to feed people them and all. So you hear everything. Yeah boss, alright, respect. Thanks. Alright, so may I come to the next station? Alright, yeah. John was star. You guilty if you had my friend this now. Oh no, I should have tell you. No, Kira, I can't tell you. No, different than yeah, I feel guilty, I do these things too, but I'm a working man. Yo, January, I feel guilty if I make my friend get locked up with that, you know. Oh, then I should have called him. I call him and tell him. No, Kira, you can't call him, that will make you lose your license. But if I not call him then, he might go get locked up and then me and him, yo, you don't know man, I deserve this, you know. You know, I just call him, you know. God forgive me, please, I call him. Action. Lucky gate, lucky door na bed. Action.
Oh,
Nobody follow you?
who will follow me?
Alright, here. Me don't even know how me I go tell you this, but here what?
Oh,
Sergeant.
yeah, police.
Listen, man. True, my mother have
Yeah,
links.
police.
Listen, calm down. Me just save a life. Shut up and listen. True, my mother have links in I as me left school last year. And just give me 6 months straight and I'm reaching. I know say two of we are same age 19, but guess what? Then
You can't
reason why-
believe say you're police.
Listen and stop chat. Listen, brother. Me your best friend. Listen. The reason why you come down and I don't know how they know say you come down there auntie then tell me say me try to get close to you. Set you up tonight at one place and then they'll go lock you up. But we couldn't afford for that man. This one I do right now against the law. This can make me lose my job, lose my license, everything. So here we are going to do. Take time, walk normal like you know, no walk fast or fast moving, no take that bike, no charge on the taxi. Go down here auntie, take your bag, take your things, go and wait place so we can make it stay. Meanwhile till the sort out, if you sort out, because you're young and you deserve to go, everybody deserve a second chance. So you're going to just do that now. Sorry, say sorry.
Look
Right,
what
me I go hold them off and tell them say, because I may did figure, but me did go end up tell you say, me dip on
yo,
me and you
me
want
can't
to
stay so. Me a good.
listen to what me I say.
Me hear what you
I go
say,
hold
me
them
a
off
go
so
ahead.
they not track you. You ready? See your phone when you reach outside, you just broke your and dash away. Go on. Alright, so go on. Me I make you security remove your name and your
Me no man now later.
Alright. Badge number 2545. You can put me on to Sergeant Hill, please. Babe, I can tell the captain say, what did we go on tonight? She drew my kind of suspect a thing to go hold off because sometimes if you meet me at my place. I don't know if there's something suspect. Sometimes if you meet me at my place if I so if you not show up at my place, we just calling up in our hour or 2 hours. Don't do nothing unless I call and tell you so you reach then you can try to see if you can get in yourself. My man, I just there in my office. Funny desk. Alright. Oh, Shani, I get me in trouble. Come out with the bag same time and I come and I cut.
Wait, Roshan, where you going?
I'm mother call my mother come back so I go down back now.
Oh, she just call you and go so. And that's how people do things.
No, she just come unexpected, so I just say me I go down.
No, unexpected. And that's how people do business. She can't just come call you and tell you if you come. I will go so.
They go tell us me I go but I think you sleep.
You know what? Go on where I go.
The go tell her auntie I throw me think I sleep, man.